Hi guys, I'm back. Welcome to Chemical Engineering A Day in the Life series. My name is Jeferson Costa. I'm a chemical process engineer and I'm here to share my knowledge and experience with you about what a process engineer do in the real life. Today I will talk about something that is very important to work in an industrial environment. If without this knowledge or without this culture, it will be very difficult to you to keep your position as a process engineer in an industry. I'm talking about safety culture. Today I expend almost all the day doing some training about safety culture. What I mean about that? When you are hired to a new job in an industrial plant, especially in chemical and petrochemical facilities or something that it has a hazard in its own operation, it's common to have safety training before you can even go inside the plant. That is very important because the company wants to make sure that you have the correct behavior to work on their own safety, and you will not get injury or you will do injury in the others. So during this safety training, I learned about not only about the industry itself, but about safe behavior, like use the seat belt, not to walking using the cell phone, and also use put the trash in the correct box and something like that. During this training, I learned that almost 90% of the accidents is caused because the human behavior, and companies really do their best, at least the best companies or responsible companies do their best to decrease this kind of situation. You may know that before accident happens, it has a lot of incidents that can be mapped and should be treated to not let the accident happens. And as a chemical process engineer, you will not only think about the chemical process itself. You need to worry about the behavior you have with your comrades, and most companies demands that you need to stop unsafe procedure because it's a condition for the employment. It doesn't matter if you were late in your job or if you were expending more money that it used to be. If something wrong happens, it is your responsibility it is your responsibility, so you may lose your job because you doesn't have a safe culture. And you should know that an accident must and you should know that an accident can kill people and can kill companies also. If you search a little bit about the biggest chemical accidents in the history, probably you'll find the Bhopal accident in India. And this accident killed a lot of people there, and because of that, Union Carbide was split in other companies and was finished. So that means that company has died also. And there are others accidents very famous in the history, and some companies doesn't finish because of that, but their images and their lucrativity decreased a lot. And you must understand that the company will do training to you. The company will ask you for signing those trainings to make sure that you had the training necessary to do everything with a safe condition. So if you try to get some deviation from that, that's not good. That's not good, because if something wrong happens, you will be penalized for that. So my message in this video today is, before even get inside a plant, most company will give you safety training to make sure that you have a safety culture. And that is very important, not only for the work, but also to your personal life, because if you have a strong culture of safety, you will not only be safety for you, but also for your family, and the probability to return to your home without any injury or without any harm is very high. So I finished my safety training today. Now I'm able to go to the plant, and tomorrow I will start my roles there, and I will bring to you another news about this job of mine. And if you like to join me in this series to know more about the chemical process engineering roles in process design, doing as-built procedure, as-built tasks, subscribe to this channel, click in the ring, and I will see you, and you will see me in the next video. So have a nice day.